Welcome to Top 4 Earn channel.
Do you want to make $28,000 per month and maybe use that money to fly to Paris, go to the Louvre and look at Mona Lisa's sexy smile? Yeah, that's right, Mona Lisa. I love your smile. You look so good today. Well, you can make thousands of dollars per month without knowing how to start, without spending any money, and without being on camera. But if you don't want to help the world become a better place, and if you have a get rich quick mentality, leave this video right now and don't stay to the end to learn how to make 3 times more money with just your laptop and internet connection. Head over to the Pet Collective on YouTube, and here you can see that the types of videos that they're producing is basically a compilation of a lot of pet videos, cute cats, cute dogs, and sort of that. They even have best of the week of cat videos and stuff like that, and they don't even film it themselves. They just take it all from the internet and plop it into their own video and get views like that. Now you might be wondering, how much are these actually making from these videos? And you can see that it's estimated by Social Blade here that they're making $28,000 all the way up to $243,000 monthly earnings with 20 million views the last 30 days. You can see that they're getting like 600,000, 500,000, 800, 700,000 views each and every single day. Isn't that crazy? This is stuff that you could be doing as well and make a lot of money like this. The second channel I'm going to show you is called Fail Army. Now, if you have been online for a long time, you pretty much know about this channel already. They've been around for a long time, 14 million subscribers, and they do exactly the same, compiling videos from like TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, all plopping in them together in a video, having a little bit cute or funny or interesting or cool editing in the video, and just like that, they are getting 263,000 views, 723,000 views 4 days ago, almost 1 million views 1 week ago. And I'm actually going to show you how you can make 3 times as much money. So make sure you stick on this video right here. Now, one thing that's really good about this is that you don't have to show your face. It's just compiling a bunch of things. And maybe you want to be like incognito, or you want to be anonymous because you don't want your friends or family to find out, or you don't want to show your face, you don't want to do like public speaking and stuff like that, which I really understand. Actually, when I began, I made completely new YouTube channel without showing my face, and I have multiple YouTube channels like that, and it was mainly because of the embarrassment if people found out about if I made a YouTube channel and people from my high school or from, you know, old friends, they were like, they find my channel. I would be so embarrassed by that. So with this, you don't even have to show your face, and nobody will literally know who you are and what you do. So I think that's really cool, unless you tell them, obviously, which I did for all my friends. And what happened was that once I told my friends about it, they were like, fuck yeah, that's awesome, dude. So it's just literally like my internal fear about you know, getting found out on the internet and feeling the embarrassment of that. But I think it's really cool. Now, the next channel I'm going to show you is People Are Awesome. Again, this is another long-lasting channel that do really cool things. So like skating, adventure, motorbikes, BMX, wind surfing, and skydiving and stuff like that. That is really cool, and basically it's called People Are Awesome because they do awesome shit, basically. You can see that once again, this is another compilation channel that don't even make their own videos, and you can see that this channel in particular is making anywhere from $14,000 to $126,000 for 10 million views each and every month, and this has actually been dropping quite a lot. But you can see 200,000 to 300,000 views each and every day for videos like this. The thing with channels like this is that the copyright, you know, and if you take, for example, a video on TikTok or Instagram or Facebook, you might get a copyright strike or a copyright claim, which is the most normal thing, especially for these types of clips. They normally don't strike your channel or take down your channel. They normally just claim the ad revenue for that video, so they basically make the money off of that video. Now, See Man Reviews does perfectly, and that is to add commentary on top of these clips. So if you have cool, awesome people, you should add some commentary on top of it. If you have cute cats or something happening like that, you should have some commentary on top of it that makes it unique, and it makes it fall under fair use, and people come back not to see the clips but to see you and how you react to the clips. And I just want to show you an example. Also, first of all, this guy is making a lot more money than all these other channels. You can see 51 million views right here, 70,000 all the way up to $610,000 each and every month, getting 1 to 2 million views each and every day. This guy is a really funny man, obviously, and I'm gonna show you one of his videos right now, so you can kind of see what it's all about. So Aussie Man Reviews cruise ships.
It is so important you get back to your ship on time. If they say they're departing at 5, be at the dock at 5, because they will fucking cheese it. You have to consider your priorities. Do you stay with your husband and kids on board, or do you go have a bender on dry land and potentially never see them again?
And it's just clip after clip after clip, and he's just making jokes, he's just commentating on top of these clips, and this is the best way to do it. And if you're wondering about where he finds the content, it's literally right here in the description of his video right here. You can see all of the different clips that he's using to just stay legal, and also you can send him videos right here as well, and he will talk about them and just make fun of it and stuff like that. And the second channel that's doing this is called Daily Dose of Internet, and he does basically the exact same thing, where he has clips and he talks over it just like this.
This person tried feeding this wild squirrel.
And you can also see that he is linking to the actual videos in the description down below. Here you can see Reddit, here you can see TikTok, Instagram as well. Now, one thing that you might have seen is that some of these clips are, for example, from Viral Hog and also from Jukin Media. And what this is basically clip licensing companies. And what they do is that they get clips from all around the world, get sent to them, and then they license this out. For example, the Pet Collective is a company that is, if I just click on this, you can see that this is a Viral or Jukin Media company. The Pet Collective is owned and operated by Jukin Media. And what actually this does is that you can go to jukinmedia.com, and obviously you don't have to start with buying clips, but hopefully when you start making money with this, you can actually pay for some of these right here. And by the way, if you don't do that, it's fine, but you might get copyright claim here and there if you do it from like TikTok or Instagram and stuff like that, especially when it comes to cute pets and animals, cool people, or fails. Those are the biggest ones that they do these licensing. And here you can see that you can go to popular collections like animals, cool stuff, humor, fails, cute, newsworthy, heartwarming, trending, and wins. And you can see that you'll be using all of these, and they have massive libraries. You can see this and this and this just uploaded like yesterday, like viral videos of the week. And you can see the price of these. One clip is $49 or $99, $299. They also have like special deals that you can get if you contact them, if you want to have more clips and stuff like that. And like I said, you don't have to start with this, but this is something you should aspire to become, But I want to show you how to literally make 3 times as much money than you would if you just did this normally. And that is, once you have uploaded a video, you can go into that video, and as you can see in the past, we had to have 10 minutes right here. But what actually just recently happened is that YouTube has lowered the minimum video length for mid-roll ads from 10 minutes to 8 minutes. And that means that if I go in here and I click on monetization and I go down, make sure that monetization is on, and then just click on manage mid-rolls, I couldn't do this on an 8-minute long video before, but now you can actually place ad breaks here. So you can place an extra ad here, an extra ad here, and an extra ad here. I actually recommend 3 ads-ish for 8-minute long videos. Don't have like 5, 6, 7. It's a little bit too much, you know.